So I made this opening here on the side of the carport, and I was thinking that'd be cool to, put a hood up there. You guys saw that. And so I was at the swap meet. I measured it, and I was like, didn't even plan ahead. I was like, what kind of hood would fit there? 1965 GMC. Perfect. I think I paid $150 with it. Same color as the building, some patina on it. Well, cold front. It is about 70 something, no humidity, I take it. I'll take it. Since it's so cool today, let's see if we can get this up there and do our little canopy thing. So, yeah, I mean, perfect day. Let's make a template, and then we can cut, around the edge so it kind of sits in there. And then we'll go from there. And we'll just wing it, because we've never done this before. So, we'll just... I don't know how we're going to hold it up there because it's heavy. But anyways, all right, let's get busy. Completely straight. I mean, so it'll go real up nice and tight against the wall. Yeah, so we'll see if we get that to go right up there. Thinking that'll look pretty damn cool. Yeah. I already got my template taped on here. I got the one side cut. My cardboard wasn't long enough, so we'll make another piece and we'll put it up there. Yeah. These come right down the edge. It was like perfect. I mean, I didn't even measure it. It just turned out perfect. So, like I said, we're just gonna wing it. We'll see what happens. I don't want to drill nothing on the outside, but yeah. Here and see what I got going. Okay, I got the same overlap. It's right to this edge. I got it toward just the top of the hood. There's probably, I don't know, 3-4 inches. The curve comes right outside, so it kind of contours the wood right here. And I mean, you won't see any of this. So yeah, I think we're gonna go with that. It's kind of windy today. Just gotta make sure that that's level, and I just kind of put it up there. So it looks like it needs to go like that a little bit, but we'll get it figured out and draw on before we do any cutting. So, all right, we'll measure twice, Dead battery. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put the hood right here, and we can lift the bucket up and kind of, get it pretty close. know, sometimes I amaze even myself. It's not too hard. But I think that's gonna work out perfect. We'll get it lined up. I didn't cut the little ribs yet because I wanted to make sure, double sure, that, you know, I didn't have a big old mess up. So we'll line it up, make sure it's, you know, level, and then we'll cut it, butt it up. And I still don't know how I'm gonna support it. I think I'm gonna build some sort of little metal deals here instead of having the poles that go up and down. I don't know yet. All right, I think we got the hard part done. Got it cinched up there. I just got these 2x4s up there to hold it up. But I think we're gonna put some pipe from here, angle it down. You know, that would be fine. We're gonna have to get some clamps in here. These screws are at an angle. And I mean, they're in, they're holding it. But I'm gonna have to get some clamp. I'm gonna have to get a clamp on there, clamp it real tight, drill some more holes, and secure that. Maybe put a little L bracket right there, and then, yeah, that'll be good. So I'm gonna go down and see if I can find some crusty pipes or something, kind of old looking, you know, rusty looking, and but heck yeah, I'm digging it. I'll put some LED lights in there, and maybe along the edge right there, and then we'll come out and check it out, see what it looks like in the dark, you know. That'd be cool to have those lit up at night, so when you can walk out, it'd be kind of a glow. Let's go find some pipe. All right, Gina wants some milk. Yeah, let's stick the Nova up, get some milk. Heck yeah. Haven't driven her in a couple weeks. I already started today. Come on, Bessie. Oh, let me turn the air conditioning on. Ooh, she's blowing cold. We'll use those instead of these antique bed frames. I mean, they're cool. Gina could put them somewhere else in the landscaping. Just feeling it out there, you know. I don't think that looks too bad. Paint those pipes the tan color or black. I don't know. You know, we'll leave them clamped on there like that. We'll just kind of ponder on it for a couple days and see what we think. I don't know. Appreciate everybody watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.